Railroad strike averted, inflation crisis exacerbation averted. How much did the workers get? Coming up here in the jog. Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It's 7:58 here in the middle part of the country on Thursday. It is September 15th, 2022. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world, starting off with the railroad strike. We have a deal. Major U.S. railroads and their unions, looks like workers are going to get about a 14% bump in pay, effective immediately. Still's got to be voted on by members. It looks like it'll pass. At least rails will not stop working Friday, as was the case about 24 hours ago. Wow. Good deal for labor, right? Big fan of labor unions. Personally, I know some people think they're evil, right? I'm a greedy capitalist, right? I'm sort of on the political right, but specifically for unions against private companies, right? If you and your friends want to band together, collectively negotiate, you should be able to do so. Now, if you elect those people that you're negotiating with, that's when you get a little bit dicey. But as long as it's a private company that you're negotiating with, or a consortium of private companies and a consortium of individuals, certainly collective bargaining has a lot to do with the increasing labor standards and increasing quality of life for millions of people around the country, and that is certainly a good thing. So here's a win for labor today on September 15th. Well done. Keep the economy running. Train transport is so important here in the U.S. for goods. Would have cost about $2 billion a day. Glad a deal got done. Adobe buying Figma, $20 billion deal. It's the largest deal ever for a private software maker, which is kind of crazy, right? There have been some big deals, but Figma, it sort of allows you to build software in the cloud, consolidates some tools. Adobe thinks it's worth it. Stock down a little bit here in the pre-market on a go-forward basis. Adobe, of course, has been slammed with the rest of the NASDAQ this year. Could we see some value-y type of action in some of these stocks? I'll be back a little bit later on in the month. Last but not least, jobless claims, fifth week, still going down. Guys, we're going to see this again and again. It's just another demographic tailwind. You're going to see a tighter and tighter labor market. Every day, approximately 4,000 more people leave the workforce than enter it. You're going to see jobless claims go down. It's just a friction number, but ultimately, the labor market gets tighter by the day. If you're not investing for that, well, I don't know what to tell you. If you want some additional info throughout the week, feel free to find me on the internet. I'm out there. Till then, hope you, your family, have a really good rest of your Thursday. I'm out.